Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a really easy low carb, low calorie air fryer dish. This is going to be crispy buffalo cauliflower. So if you're someone who is trying to, get some more veggies into your diet, this is a really easy recipe that is perfect for you. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get 1 head of cauliflower and we're going to prep the cauliflower. So I'm going to cut it in half first. And we're going to cut around the stem. So in order to get the pieces that we want of the cauliflower, we're going to cut around the stem like this so that the pieces just fall right out. I want my cauliflower pieces to be about the same size. This is a little bit too large, so you're just going to cut the pieces into, they're almost like a chicken nugget size. And I'm gonna throw them into a colander because we're going to rinse these. Now you can also buy cauliflower already pre-cut, but I like to buy the cauliflower and cut it myself. That way I have control of the size of the cauliflower pieces. You wanna do the same thing for the other half of the cauliflower head. Next, we're going to coat our cauliflower. Now, typically when you're doing this, you might use flour and cornstarch or breadcrumbs, but I'm gonna be using pork panko because I am low carb and mostly keto. So that's why I try to avoid all refined carbs, bread, pasta, flour, things like that. You guys already know I love this brand by Pork King Good. This pork panko is the best in my opinion. I'm not sponsored, they're just my favorite. So I've linked down below in the description my Amazon link if you're interested in purchasing this pork panko. I'm going to put this into a bowl. This is going to be our coating for the cauliflower. For your egg wash, you're also going to need 2 large eggs. I'm just gonna crack them into this bowl. And just whisk that for your egg wash. To make this easier, since we're going to be making this in the air fryer, I'm going to line my air fryer tray with some air fryer liners. If you're also interested in purchasing these liners, I've included an Amazon link in the description below. And if you don't have a liner or you're not interested in purchasing one, you can also use parchment paper or nothing at all. I just think this makes it a lot less messy and easier to clean up. To coat our cauliflower, we're going to take the piece of cauliflower, throw it into the egg wash, shake off the excess, put it into the pork panko, and using the other hand, which is our dry hand, I'm gonna coat the cauliflower in the panko, and then place it directly into the air fryer tray that's lined with the liner. Now, I've also seen people just make this recipe just like you would with chicken nuggets or, just buffalo wings or something, and they don't coat it at all. But since we're not using flour, I do wanna have that crisp, I do wanna have a bread-like coating, which is why I like to use the pork panko. And it's such a good alternative if you don't eat bread, don't eat breadcrumbs, but you're still looking for that crunch. This is perfect for that. I'm gonna do the same thing for all of the cauliflower pieces. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like button below and also subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos every week. All of my cauliflower pieces are coated and I don't want them to touch in the basket. I'm gonna throw them into the air fryer and we're gonna cook it at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. I will see you guys after they're done cooking. While our cauliflower is cooking in the air fryer, we're gonna make a sauce to go with this. Now, you can either do like a blue cheese sauce, but I'm gonna be making my own sour cream and chive dip. So all you're going to need is about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. add some onion powder. It's about 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. One teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're gonna take some fresh chives, and I'm just gonna use kitchen shears to slice it into this dip. You can also just cut this on a cutting board. It's really just based on your preference. As long as they're small pieces, that's what you're looking for. And now we're going to mix all of these ingredients together. This is a great alternative dip if you're someone who doesn't like blue cheese. I love blue cheese, but I wanted to show you guys a dip that goes really well with these buffalo cauliflower bites that is not blue cheese and something different. Let's give this a little taste and see if we need to add any more seasonings. My cauliflower is done. It is nice and golden, nice and crisp. And now we're going to add buffalo sauce. Now, you can add any brand of buffalo sauce you want. I really love this one by Primal Kitchen. Not sponsored. They're just my favorite brand of buffalo sauce because I know that they're keto friendly, low carb friendly, low in sugar. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to put this sauce all over my cauliflower. You can use either the mild one or the hot one, whatever your preference is, or just whatever brand of buffalo sauce that you like. Now that the sauce is on our cauliflower, I'm just going to coat this all over the cauliflower like this, just toss it. Now, you can also throw this back into the air fryer or do this before you put it in the air fryer. But since we're using pork panko, it's a little bit more delicate than using flour, which is why I like to put it on at the very end. Here are our delicious buffalo cauliflower bites. We cooked them in the air fryer. This took such little time. This is such an easy snack, like a game day snack, or really great for a lunch. It is super low calorie and really low carb. Let's do a taste test right here. I'm gonna do this piece right here. Looks super good. It's nice and crisp with the pork panko, and it has that delicious buffalo sauce. We're gonna dip it into our sour cream and chive dip. Cheers. That was so tasty, so good. A really great way to get your veggies in, give some alternative, ways to eat cauliflower. This is a really great go-to for a snack or a game day appetizer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.